Hey guys, it's the Cardboard Lord and today we are making Thor's hammer, Mjolnir. I'm starting by cutting these larger pieces edges at a 45-degree angle. Then glue these smaller pieces on at a 45-degree angle. Then just glue them into an octagon shape. This diagram should help you understand where the angles get cut. Then start gluing these trapezoid pieces onto the top and then the octagon. Continue gluing all these trapezoids on. It's pretty self-explanatory of how they go together. Glue on the smaller trapezoids. Cover up any mistakes with tape. Here's how it should look. Now repeat that process on the other end. Start rolling up pieces of newspaper. Do this 2 more times, then tape the 3 pieces together. Roll a piece of newspapers over the 3. Then flatten this roll and fold it in half, then tape it and roll another piece of newspaper around it. Fold down the ends of the newspapers so your roll is about 17 to 18 inches. Then cut a hole in one side of the hammer and glue the newspaper in to act as a handle. Now I have some paper mache paste and paper squares and I'm going to cover the whole thing including the handle. And I forgot to add this circle earlier, so I'm just going to add it on now. Then we can start painting the handle brown. Now paint the top gray. Now I'm going to paint the very end of the handle gray. Now I'm going to take these 2 pieces of paper from the templates and glue them on a piece of carbon paper. I put a link in the description to carbon paper you can buy. Take this onto the sides of the hammer and start tracing them. If you don't know what carbon paper does, then you're about to find out. Peel up the tape. There we go. Now do the same thing with the Asgardian symbol on the other side. Now trace them with a marker to make it look nicer. Then on the edges here I'm going to draw a trapezoid and do the Asgardian inscription things. You can just kind of go random. It shouldn't be too simple like this. Or too complicated like this. You want it to be right in between and look sorta like that. Then draw the black line things that are on the side and bottom of Mjolnir. Then on the top circle do this strange Asgardian writing. I just sorta did it at random. Then trace the grey thing at the bottom. I grabbed an old Sharpie I never use and started dipping it in paint and made the rings that go up the handle. Then take some brown construction paper, add some glue, and fold over the paper and cut it off. Then just glue it on the handle to make a loop, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and share this video. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any cool videos. Thanks. Bye.